Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Muhammad Hassan. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. And this is another video. We are going to explore Oud Di Corleone. Oud Di Corleone from Maison Anthony Marmin. So I'm not sure what it actually means, Corleone. And I will write it down over here, but it means something in French. So okay, so these bottles are really difficult to open, so I'm going to change. I need to see what are the notes over here. So the notes I'm going to describe to you: lemon, orange from Sicily, city of Sicily, Italian espresso, grapefruit, ancient wood, and Oud Cambodi. So I'm expecting it to be fresh lime or citrus kind of perfume oil. So let's try to test it on my arm because I have used other places. So I'm going to use it on my arm over here because I need to connect it with my skin rather than my hair. Ooh, it is very different. So it has grapefruit note in the start, lime and grapefruit. Sweetness, this is some spices, I'm not sure what it is. Ooh, this is really different. I haven't sniffed anything like this. Italian espresso. This is really lovely and in a very different direction. I haven't, I haven't used any scent similar to this or any perfume oil at least. It has a vibrating kind of vibe. It resembles a little bit with some toffees or candies, but overall I think it is very nice. Orange, lime, grapefruit, sweetness is there. It is like oranges and grapefruits are hanging from the same tree, and that tree has dark green leaves, very dark green leaves. So this is kind of, because it has some dampness and some I would say heaviness in it. It is not very light or bright. Now it is getting very similar to some toffee or some candy, which I didn't like. I really loved the opening of this one. I think maybe it was lemon and orange from Sicily or Italian espresso. The combination of all these was really amazing. Overall, I think it is a nice French perfume, gourmand. If you like gourmand or edible kind of oils or perfumes, this is for you. So I really recommend it for women mostly. I think men I'm not sure about, but you can wear it on a beach or a very sunny day. And maybe not for office. I would not recommend it for office or maybe some person business meeting. It is good for moving around in the city, exploring the city, or you are traveling, or you are on the beach or something like that. Overall, it's a nice lime sweet kind of attar. So lime is there, sweetness is there, dampness is there. Oranges from Sicily, Italian espresso, a little bit of espresso note. I'm not having a very high kind of like that. Lemon is there, grapefruit, very lovely grapefruit note in the start. Oud Cambodi, I'm not sure, maybe it has something in there, but I don't sense any Oud Cambodi. Maybe some woodiness, very light at the background, nothing else. So I'm going to rate it now. I would rate it because it is a bit unique and I really enjoyed the starting. So I'm going to give it 7 out of 10, not 8 or 9 because I didn't enjoy it much. So it is unique. In the start I was amazed, but now it is getting more gourmandish or kind of toffee or candy kind of note. Little bit, not too much, but it has some candy note in there. So performance, I would give it like 7 out of 10. It would perform, I think, normally, but it is a very nice skin scent for women. I would really recommend it for women. If you like gourmand kind of perfumes or oils, this is for you. It is very nice if you have a partner or husband or boyfriend or whatever. So this is going to be a nice one. So Oud Di Corleone from Maison Anthony Marmin. This is my review, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you like it or you want to try it, make sure you order the samples and try it and then order it for you. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum.